I think I was at Target.
So like a grocery store.
Yeah, a grocery store. Yeah.
That's what I was looking for. Got it. And how often would you say you've done that? One time, a few times?
Maybe like once or twice a month.
Okay. Anyone else?
I feel like when I'm not in the city, I do. When I have a car, I will buy things in bulk, but when I'm in the city, I'm not gonna carry around like a flat of tea, like a 24 pack, like that's just.
It also depends on the season, because like in the summer,
Very
I'll
true.
sometimes buy like those gallon things of like Arnold Palmer or the Arizona sweet teas and just stick them in the fridge.
Well, like say I'm going grocery shopping after this, or like I need to get drinks. I'm not gonna get it now. It's too cold and it's too far from walk. Like once a month when it's decent weather.
It's gotta be the right time.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. So what is the maximum amount you're willing to spend on an alcohol beverage? So
Like a
back to
single
the
one?
12 to 16 ounce kind of thing you would get at CVS or something like that.
$5.
$3.
$5?
5,
3.
I'll say 6.
6.
Typically not more than 3. If I'm stopping at a coffee shop, I'll like $5 is my limit, because I like to get grande drinks from Starbucks, and those are always at least $4.
Wait, are we referring to like bottled drinks or like coffee or
Any
Oh, okay.
beverage that you can take in your hand somewhere.
Yeah, $5.
$5. So I'm assuming the $5 and $6 is leaning towards more like higher priced coffee drinks, or are there other beverages that you would spend that much on?
What's the
Just
coffee?
Coffee.
Holy coffee.
So maybe when it comes to tea and juice, what is the maximum amount you're willing to spend there?
$3.
$3.
Typical amount is.
I feel like in Veggie, Starbucks is like what, $2.75. So yeah, I wouldn't pay more than $3.
Depends on the drink though.
Yeah, if I'm
Sure.
getting
Latte
Yeah.
latte is like $6.50.
I just wait.
yeah, but for tea.
But for tea, just tea, I don't know. I wouldn't pay more than 3.
And then
Yeah,
what
coffee will pay more.
kind of factors come into mind? So obviously Arizona tea is 99 cents. So what other factors besides I get a lot of it enable you to spend more money on it?
Yeah, quality. How healthy it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's less added sugar.
It's
Yeah.
like Arizona's pretty bad for you, so take something like Honest Tea or I think other brands, just like healthy brands. I pay
I
like
don't
$2 or $3.
Yeah, I never go for the healthy brands though. If I'm getting like tea, like if I want something sweet, it's like between 2 brands or 2 flavors, I'll look at like the sugar, but it's not usually very different. Like,
Yeah.
it's not a huge difference.
Okay. So what are some of your least favorite tea or juice brands, and why?
I actually don't like Lipton.
Yeah.
Does
I
it
don't
taste
like
like-
that
either.
either.
Like taste-
It's like the soda of tea. It's just so sweet and
It's sweet or just tastes
And
weird.
really
The
watery.
unsweetened ones taste
Yeah.
like not grass, but like something
It
herbal that
does.
shouldn't taste
Yeah, it
right.
does, like, taste like earth.
Or that's the word.
You don't like it. Why do you not like Arizona?
Stuff's full of high fructose corn syrup.
Some of the contents of it.
Might as well get the Coke instead.
I have to agree on Arizona. It's just
Unless you're craving that Arnold Palmer.
yeah. There's like once in a while like I'll be like, oh yeah, I want that. But Arizona, it's filled with some nasty stuff
I
that I
like
would
it.
not. But I still love it. It's like one of those things.
I have no illusions about what I'm putting in my body when I drink Arizona.
Cool. Any other ones you just really hate?
I don't like the Pure Life, I think that's what it's called.
Oh
Do
yeah.
you know what I'm talking about?
like, are you talking about kombucha?
No.
Oh, okay.
No,
It's
maybe
it's
square.
Nestle
Like the
Pure
bottom.
Leaf?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
Pure
like
Leaf, yeah, it's a square and then
Yeah,
it's
that's
like,
nice.
Just becomes
Nestle, I
whatever.
think.
I don't really like that.
I think so too. Why is that? Why do you think
I just don't like their flavors, or like I don't like their unsweetened
All
tea, and their
for it.
sweet tea is like too sweet, and then I don't know. I think I've tried some other flavors and they're just not. I don't like them.
I usually skip over brisk, like brisk iced teas.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's Lipton too, isn't it?
Oh, is
Yeah,
it?
it
Yeah.
is. It is.
Brisk is
Just like a substance.
Pure sugar.
Describe what feelings and thoughts you go through when deciding what type of on-the-go drink to buy.
How thirsty I am.
What am I craving? Do I want something sweet?
Yeah.
not.
Do I need to be awake in the next hour?
Yes, that's very important.
Yeah, the caffeine content, like, if it's like 6 p.m. and I'm trying to go to bed at like 10 p.m. on a weeknight and I wanna grab an on-the-go drink, you know, probably soda is not the best thing, so I might just grab like a water or a juice or something.
Whether or not I'm actually thirsty. Because if I'm actually thirsty, I'll just drink water. If I just want to taste something or like drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If it's
cause
like-
I avoid sweetened drinks when I'm really thirsty, cause it just makes your throat
Yeah,
like
it
dry.
makes it worse.
Yeah.
Okay. So backtracking a little bit, what are your favorite type of tea or juice brands, and why are these your favorite?
I like Arizona.
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's not- It just tastes good. I know it's horrible, it's just, I enjoy the taste.
That's it?
Yeah. Is that right?
Anything else?
Tazo, is that it?
Oh yeah, they make
Yeah, that
bottle.
one. Yeah,
Yeah.
that one's pretty good.
I like Argo too.
Ooh, yeah.
Naked, I think.
Naked juices.
Oh, yeah,
that's-
yeah.
Those are really good.
Oh my god, I keep
Honest tea as well.
Honest
tea,
yeah.
Minute Maid.
I like the Simply, whatever brands of juice, like Simply Orange, Simply Apple.
And why are all of these your favorite? It sounds like you're saying brands that tend to be a little higher quality, a little bit less sugar content. Is
Quality
that
and taste.
Yeah, quality.
quality?
Health.
Yeah, I think health is a big one for me.
Like they like the Simply brands because it's not from concentrate like Minute Maid or something else might be.
Cool. What would, so say you go to a store and you're like, I want an Arizona. What would have to happen at the point of purchase for you to not buy what you had originally planned on buying? So maybe there's a price difference, or something like that.
It's more expensive than I thought it would be.
Yeah. I mean, Arizona's like what, usually 99 cents if I get there and it's like.
Sometimes
$2.
2 for 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, if I brought a
It
can
really
of
can't be above what I
Arizona up
was
to the cash
expecting.
register and it was $2, I'd be like, I'm not gonna
Yeah,
price
that would be.
At
that'd be like an
Walgreens
upsell.
when they have the like 50% off or like with your card thing.
Right.
False advertising like that. Or sometimes they'll be like, oh my god, it's 30 cents. But then it's like, you have to have the card and you're like, really?
Yeah.
So in that case, you would either buy another product or just not buy anything at all,
Yeah.
pretty much? Cool.
Go somewhere else.
Okay. If you go to the store and if the brand you planned on buying was not available, what would you buy instead?
What other
Assuming that
brands?
we have to buy something out of that store, like we can go to a different store. and
So you
find
would
that
rather go
brand.
to a different store and find that product?
Depending on the product, yeah. If it's
Okay.
like, if I'm that
Depends on
devoted
the
to
store.
it.
Like, if I'm excluding coffee, then I'm just gonna buy something else, to be honest.
I'd buy something like closest to what I
Yeah.
originally was gonna get.
Yeah, I would usually do that. Unless it were like a tea that I was trying to get, because I'm kind of picky about those brands, I would probably go to a different store, like bottled iced teas.
If they were out of like pretty much everything, and you were left to like maybe one or two other options, I'd probably go somewhere else where I had like, say I went in for like an ice cream tea and they only had Gatorade or like something I don't know, a Vegas shape. I mean, it just depends on what they have.
So what if you went to buy a specific brand of ice, or of green tea, I'm sorry?
Yeah,
Is that what you said?
just use that
And
example.
they had a variety of green teas, but not the brand that you planned on buying?
I'd still buy one.
So you would buy another brand
Yeah,
of green
it's
tea?
not that
Yeah.
big of a deal.
A similar one, like a brand that I recognize, kind of.
As long as they have like some other form of what I went in for, I'll buy it.
Yeah.
Like, exactly.
Okay. Okay. So now I want to do a little exercise with you guys. This is the only point in the night where I am going to ask you to reach a consensus. So what I have are 6 brands and 6 images that you can make sense of in whatever way you wish. And what I would like for us to do as a group, I'll give you about 20 minutes to do so, is match the brand with the image that you think best fits that brand. So I'm leaving up to you whatever criteria you think that might be. I'm sorry, I have 7 images, so there's one image you don't have to use.
Oh, this is so funny.
So I am gonna leave the room.
It goes with the Tazo tea, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you 20 minutes, I'm gonna leave the room, and then I'll come back when your 20 minutes is up, okay?
Now this one?
Does everyone agree on that?
I'm trying to.
I like this one. Or like maybe the kids.
I would say the kids, yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I just associate those with